In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for PlayStation Plus on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. Let's get into the method. First, on the home screen in the Games section, scroll to the left to the PlayStation Plus page and scroll down until you see the plan options. There should be 3 options and you can cycle between showing the monthly and yearly cost. Decide on the plan you want here, and then make sure it's set to the payment schedule you want, either monthly or yearly, and select it. This will be a recurring subscription, and if you chose monthly, you might be prompted to choose a year instead, but you can skip this for just monthly. I would strongly recommend taking your time and reading all the information on each page to make the correct decision. You'll then need to agree to the terms and confirm the order. You'll now be signed up, and if you ever need to manage or cancel this subscription in the future, this can be done by heading to the settings, then users and accounts, then account, then payments and subscriptions, and then subscriptions. Select it here, and you can manage or cancel it if you ever need to. That's how to sign up for PlayStation Plus on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.